After running the PageRouter software for the first time, you will see the system status display, which shows general parameters such as the CPU, memory, and database usage. The first step is to program users with an alarm receiver. In this system, for example, we have a total of 39 users with an alarm receiver already programmed. Here you see the name, a short ID, and their corresponding alarm receiver ID. We will now proceed to program PageAlert to monitor PLC contacts. We go to Settings and select PageAlert. The display shows a configuration map that makes programming very easy. PageAlert can have 12 sets of PageAlert modules. A set can have up to 6 modules, giving you the capacity to monitor up to 96 contacts per set. When you click on set 1, for example, you select the COM port receiving the connection from the PageAlert module. In this case, COM7. To activate monitoring after programming, check the Enable Monitoring box. You have the option to transmit to the pager the date and time stamp appended to each alarm message. When ready, just click Save. To program the alarm message and monitoring conditions for each of the 96 contacts, click on the plus sign of the set block. You can see each contact block identified by a number that coincides with the monitor contact number on the PageAlert module. Click on port 1. The contact programming section appears. Program the alarm message. For example, oven 14 overheating. Click Save. Now you can see that the alarm message appears inside the block of contact number 1. This allows easy identification for each contact. Now we're going to assign staff with alert receivers to the contact. First, click on the plus sign of the contact. The block P is for primary recipients and the block E is for escalation recipients. To assign people with alert receivers, simply click on a name and drag that individual to the primary block. You can add other people in the same way, and we can choose one more. This means that when the contact closes, PageRouter will send the CAN message to 3 people. If the contact does not return within a programmable period to its original state, PageRouter will escalate, sending the alarm to other people that you can assign to the escalation block. For example, you can select Brian to the escalation block, Ivan, or you can also assign a pre-programmed group. Now, when you look at the parameters of the contact, you can program a number of repeats to transmit the alarm at a selected interval. For example, here we are programming to send the alarm 2 times, spaced by 3 minutes. If the contact does not return to the original state, then PageRouter will begin sending the alarm to the people programmed in the escalation block. You can program a delay response to send the alarm. For example, you can program 15 seconds. Let's just assume that you are monitoring a door. So if the door opens and closes within 15 seconds, PageRouter will not send the alarm. If the door remains opened after 15 seconds, then PageRouter will start sending the alarm. Bounds is also a very important parameter that PageRouter provides, where you avoid transmission of multiple alarms in case that the contact is opening and closing quickly. For example, the contact closes and then within 7 seconds it could open and close and open and close, and then therefore PageRouter will not send the message. In the same way, you can program other alarm monitor contacts. For example, here you can program back door, and you can assign people to that contact, and you save. You can assign then other people to the primary contact, and you can continue doing this according to the way that you want PageRouter to notify messages. Here, for example, for escalation, you can also add a night shift, and then you save. The advantage of having the map is that you can quickly see which alarms are programmed and which monitors have the text of the alarms and which people is assigned to the primary and the escalation operation of PageRouter. The system is very simple.